This is what chickens can do to a partially eaten old half a watermelon. They demolished it. This was just one day, huh, guys?
Yep.
They just got it today?
Yeah. No, actually, no, yesterday.
5 chickens. Okay, yesterday, so about 24 hours. Wow. 90% of that watermelon half was still intact. And they just killed it. That's pretty awesome. Alright. I'm pretty happy with that. I think it'll hold together. Now I know that rebar is not a high quality steel, but I think I got enough weld in every spot that I needed for it to hold. I tried to have good clean grinds. I had the power on high and the speed somewhere around 6 out of 10. So it fed a little slower, and I was hoping that that would allow it to heat up more, heat the metal up more, and make it hold better and deeper. Right. Now there's no way for me to bend this stuff over and make a loop with it. It would just break. So later on I might get a couple of large washers and weld them right here to tie the rope to. For now we'll just string the rope around here and see how that goes. This bad boy should get some logs out of the pond now from the bank, and we'll use the lawnmower to haul them out. It's done.
See.
Made it.
Jeez. Looks pretty.
Y'all remember what that's for?
Yeah, they're pulling branches.
Yeah, floating logs.
Is it still hot?
It's warm. I just wet it. So I couldn't bend it. When I tried to bend it on the tree branch, it broke and almost fell. So I had to slice halfway through and bend at each slice, kind of like the joints in your finger, each bend a little bit. That's what I had to do, and I had to weld the slice that I just cut after bending it, and then I had to grind the clean area and weld the 3 of them together. So it's not perfectly even or anything, but I think it'll do. It is heavy duty because we couldn't find that skinny rebar. All we had was a couple of sharp pieces of it, so we had to use this medium one. It was hard to work with.
You can get to weld.
So why don't you get that rope and see if we can join it on to the hook, the grappling hook. Do you see an end? How long is it? 100 feet? Quarter inch.
60.
Look, by 100.
Oh, 100 feet? Oh, wow.
There's something right in those.
Quarter inch thick. 100 feet long. I didn't realize I got it that long. Okay, that's good. You just need the end. And I think we need to start up here somewhere. Tie it on around a couple of them maybe. And then just wrap, and then tie down here. Something like that. Hold it by the top, Tim. And let the shank of it hang. Yeah. Tim, hold it with 2 hands like you care. Yeah, something like that. Oh, that could work. And then just slide this back over this. And just pull your slack out. No, that didn't work.
Yeah, I wasn't planning on that. They just.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. We can go throw it on top of some buildings and climb them now. No, it's pretty heavy, huh? Now we can conquer the floating logs in the pond.